Hello, I am Dr. Clayton Alexander. I am an orthopedic surgeon here at Mercy Medical Center, and I specialize in hand and upper extremity care. I treat a variety of pathology in the upper extremity, from conditions like arthritis, trauma, which would include things like fractures of the bone. I also treat nerve compressions, importantly like carpal tunnel and cubital tunnel syndromes. The reason I became interested in care of the upper extremity and hand in particular is it's because it's the interaction with someone's world that you have. And I saw the impact it had on people's lives. I came to Mercy for several different reasons, but most importantly is the community and camaraderie that you get among the physicians and staff that work at Mercy. Mercy has a dedication to the care of the local community, and this shows in the practice of all the physicians and staff that are here at Mercy.